Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your plane ticket from Expedia. Usually after a booking is done, Expedia sends a confirmation email titled something like your trip confirmation, and it usually contains your flight itinerary, airline confirmation code, and all the details that you need from your ticket. Another option to get your plane ticket is by logging in to your Expedia account. First, head over to expedia.com and start logging in to your account. Then next is click on trips. And in this page is where you can see all your bookings, including flights. Inside your trip listing, just select a specific flight and then you will see a full itinerary and airline confirmation number. Usually, there will be an option to download, print, or email your itinerary or ticket. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!